What a day for flying. 7 in the morning, temperature in the 50s, wind out of the north at 3, and the skies are clear. Today we're headed out to Sherman Municipal Airport in Sherman, Texas for a pancake breakfast, sponsored by EAA Chapter 323. Ed Griggs, the webmaster and newsletter editor of the chapter, invited us out to see Tom Martin's T6 Texan and Jimmy Finney's PT-17 Stearman. We also heard that through the grapevine that there were going to be a bunch of Vans RVs there as well. This is going to be fun.
Good morning. How are y'all out there this morning? Welcome to EAA 323, our pancake breakfast, our first Saturday event here, and we're glad y'all could come out on this beautiful day. And if you're still looking on the internet and on Facebook, come on out still. We're going to be here for a while this morning.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're looking forward to having everybody and as many people can come out as possible. We've got a couple of vintage Warbirds that are going to be out here shortly, so there'll be static display for everybody to take a look at. They're really impressive up close, but you got to come out and see them yourself.
Morning, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good so far.
Beautiful airplane.
Not lost yet or anything.
That's very nice.
This is the Flight LED Works package. I bought it at Oshkosh this year, and I retrofitted it. It used to have the wheel and stroke package on it, so it wasn't too bad to put on. I used mostly existing wiring.